Today I would like to discuss a small concept, electrostatic potential energy. Potential energy possessed by the position of the point charge. Let us consider Q1 is the point charge. It is located at point A. Q1 to bring from infinity to point A, we done some amount of work, W equals to 0. Again we have to bring another charge Q2 from infinity to point B. The distance between A and B is R. While bringing the Q2, there exists a potential difference between Q1 and Q2. So potential difference between Q1 and Q2 is V equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 by R. While bringing the point charge Q2 against the electric field due to Q1, we done some amount of work, W2 equals to Q1 V. So this is the potential difference. This one already we know that V equals to work done by unit charge. From this one we got it. W2 equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Here the value V is taking from in this equation. So the total work done in this situation, W equals to W1 plus W2. W1 is the 0. W2 we have it. So net work done is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. This work done is position of the object, position of the point charge. So position of the point charge possessed by the potential energy. That potential energy UR equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. So it is the potential energy. This potential energy up to here Q1 and Q2 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is constant. This potential energy is inversely proportional to the distance between the 2 point charges. This potential energy is inversely proportional to the distance between the 2 point charges. Potential energy of a system of 2 point charges in electric field. Last one I discussed without electric field. This one is with the electric field. Let us consider it is a external electric field. One of the point charges Q1 is located at A and another point charge Q2 located at B. Here the Q1 is bringing from infinity to point A against the electric field. We done some amount of work W equals to V1 and Q1. The Q2 is bringing against the electric field and Q1. So here we have to consider the two works here. One is against the electric field, another one is against the Q2. First one is against the electric field, W2 equals to V2 and Q2. Now here there exists a potential difference between Q1 and Q2. V1 equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by Q2 by R. So work done against the point charge Q2 equals to W2 equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. The total work equals to W equals to W1 plus W2 is external field due to external field plus W2 is due to a Q2 charge. Now V1 Q1 plus V2 Q2 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. This is the work done. This work is depends on the position of the point charges. The position of the point charges possessed by the potential energy. Potential energy U equals to V1 Q1 plus V2 Q2 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. This is the potential energy of a system of 2 point charges in electric field. ఈ వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి.